Welcome back to Country Maintenance. We'll headed up to the roof for more preventative maintenance, getting after these air conditioners, doing a check through to have a good summer. This might be the last cool day. The next 2 days, maybe the last 2 cool days of the year. So really wanting to get after these air conditioners and check them. Okay, checking and testing the ACs today for preventative maintenance to get things and keep things going good, as this may be the last cool day. So we're going to pull the disconnect on all these. Two units here. I'm just doing 2 at a time. We will pull them apart and verify. Yeah. Take a look at what we got. My screwdriver's not in the best shape. The nut driver is kind of rounded from years of use. Time to get a new one. It's about a year and a half old. This is a Milwaukee screwdriver. It's been a great tool. Aside from not wearing out, which is, I guess that's normal. It happens. It does work when you turn it just the right way. Okay. So to check these, all we need to do is disconnect the start wires for both sides. We're going to discharge the capacitor. Capacitors hold a charge in them even after the power is disconnected. And going to disconnect the brown fan start wire. This is a Goodman unit, so that's the colors on this unit. Different manufacturers use different colors. And the yellow start wire. And 1 lead for the hard start kit. That also is a capacitor. Okay. Which is usually around 45 on the hard start kit. On this one, I'm going to discharge the capacitors and going to disconnect 1 lead. On this one, it doesn't matter. And then this one, I'm going to disconnect the start wires only. So there's 1, there's 2, and we're ready to test it out. Okay, got my meter. Okay, and this one looks like a 35 and a 5. And I've been going through and labeling them all last year, and this is a good follow-up to see how it's held up for a year. So let's see what we've got. Hopefully that's not too far away for a good test here. Got my new shirt, my Country Maintenance shirt. Those are in the link below. Take a look at the 35, 33.96, that's good, and the 5, 4.91, that's good. So this one we can rehook up. Okay. And we discharge. Oh, we can also check the hard start kit, which should be around 45. And we're rehooked up. So the hard start kit will go 1 lead. These don't go bad as often. I did check them all last year, so there's 1 lead to common and 1 lead to the deal. 48.7. That's great. These are like between 40 and 50, and we're good. I'm probably not going to bother checking all of those, as they just tend not to go bad quite so often. So I say that, and I might check them anyway, but especially since I'm disconnecting them anyway. Okay, so here's the common and fan. We should have 5. 4.94, common and Herm, and this one is 40. Our fan was good. 39.36, that's good. So far so good. Going to be checking this whole roof, and that'll give us a good indication of how our preventative maintenance is holding up. Okay, now I can plug the disconnects back in. Get my meter off and get disconnects plugged back in. One. Good. Well, perfect timing for that one. Not the correct cover there. I remember this one was missing. That. Come back to that.
Definitely wiser to check these with the units off. There's just too much that could go wrong. Be safe.
That one's a little weak.
I should have pulled the disconnect first before touching it.
That wasn't good. I want to put a rock on top of this one. It's kind of bouncing around, and I think we can minimize that, make that better. Nice and cold, running good. Okay, now we're going to check this one. Pushing in the contactor, and it works good, and we're good there. All right. Now I can put my cover back on and be all set. Got a noise in the accumulator. Figure out a way to quiet that puppy down. That's what we're here for. To replace that one at some point.
Like now, like right away.
That's no fun for the people that live there. Your new accumulator. Alright. Well, that's that one. So for this one, I'm going to take a photo of the accumulator, get some estimates for a replacement here. Possibly recover and replace with the MO99. Okay. Should make it much better, wider.